I just came back from studying abroad in Belgium. I did a dialogue of civilization there on international government and politics. It was really like a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to travel abroad with a group of other students and professors and really like get immersed in the culture of Belgium.
Belgium is kind of like a intersection of a lot of different cultures. I loved it so much. In the class, we were tasked with building an app that somewhat incorporated international government and politics. Our app matched users with countries based on what preferences they wanted. So, you know, how warm is the country? How important to you is public transportation? And it was also really cool seeing what other people had built.
What we ended up doing was we made a travel app. It's a flight cost predictor and then also a hotel cost predictor. Just seeing everything come together was really amazing. I would say some of the highlights of the trip were we went to Luxembourg for a weekend. We got to go to NATO, which I thought was so cool. We went to a lot of different talks and listened to a lot of speakers talk about like international government and politics. In Belgium, they have different policies related to artificial intelligence, which we learned a lot about. And it was really interesting to hear about that. Because I didn't know that. They have a lot more regulations on it, and I think just being global and hearing about the way that they do things differently in different parts of the world, it kind of gave me a larger perspective on artificial intelligence in general, which I'm interested in. When you're in such a small cohort of students, you really become close with everyone there. I went into the trip not knowing anyone that well. And I came out of the trip with people that I consider some of my best friends now.
You guys are like living, eating, doing work together, so it's really one cohesive group. It was led by Dr. Gerber and Dr. Fontenot. Dr. Gerber mainly teaches data science courses, and Dr. Fontenot teaches computer science courses. It was awesome getting to know them not as teachers, but also as friends.
It was really nice to be able to just go to dinner with them and chat with them and hear about how they got to the spot that they are today. I really got to know them on a deeper level, and I'm excited that I'm going to be taking a class with Professor Fontenot next semester, and I hope to take classes with both of them in the future. I would say this experience is definitely going to have a big impact on my future years here at Northeastern. Overall, the experience just made me feel a lot more empowered as a data science student.
It has definitely made me want to travel more and to go further and explore more of Europe.
I couldn't have asked for a better experience. It was really one of the best things that I've done since being here at Northeastern.